Hey y'all, it's Carolsue and welcome back to my craft shop. Today we're going to do a different type of DIY video. We're going to make some hand towels for Christmas. So you need some flour sack towels. Got these at Walmart. I think I paid $5 for 5. It might have been 5 and some change. This is 100% cotton if I remember right. Yep. You're going to need the heat transfer paper. This is the Nia brand. This is for whites only, which means white shirts only, white cloths. And you're going to need a printer and a computer to print it off of. And my bangs, y'all. Okay, get y'all something to drink and come on. Okay, first you're going to print something. Or you're going to find a file. You need a file either from design bundles, online, you could copy anything, or you use a picture of your family, anything that you could print out. So I got some from design bundles, and I'm going to print a gingerbread. My first one's going to be a gingerbread in a little bit. Like this. This is just on regular paper. And then I'm going to print out a cat one. So I haven't decided. So you're going to take your sheets of paper. And this is what it comes like. You got white on the front. In the back you have the graphic lines. Take the printer paper out. And you just need a regular old inkjet printer. Lord Jesus, Carolsue. Okay. Alright, then you're going to find your file, which I'm going to do this one. And we're going to print it, fit the thing. You want on high quality plain paper. I should bring you over. You can see this. Wait, just go. Plain paper, high quality. Then you go print. And so send it to the computer, and it's going to print it on the heat transfer paper, HTP. It doesn't take that long. It takes longer because I'm printing it at a higher quality, but you want to print it at a higher quality. Here it is, and we're going to print this on the towel. While the second one's printing, I'm going to go ahead and take this off. And we're going to press these because all fabrics have moisture in them. And before you put anything on them, you need to press it for 4 seconds. That way it gets the moisture out. Oh, these are big. We're going to print. And you can do it on both sides. These are pretty good sized ones. I didn't think they were this big. I had to order some because I can't get to my stash, y'all. Okay. Oh no. I had to clean my printer. I had all kinds of problems with it. Okay. This, like I said, this is going to be a quick DIY. Okay, here's the second one. Kitty cat blue eyes. And I'm just going to tear off the edges. They really don't matter because it's going to be on white. But for some reason my ink printer left that, and I don't want that to go on my thing. So I'm going to finish tearing that off. And we're going to go in there, y'all. Custom make your family shirts, t-shirts, and you don't have to have a heat press. All you got to have is an iron. Just turn the steam off on your iron, and that's all you need. And you can make any kind of personalized gifts and stuff for your friends and family. So let's go into the craft shop part. Okay, while this is heating up, I'm going to go ahead and get the moisture out of my towels. girl. I said all you do is just press it for 4 or 5 seconds. Get the moisture out. And my little rain's right there. What, baby girl? No, you stay there. On the center of your towel, or wherever you want to place it on your towel. And you're going to find the center of your print, and you're supposed to mirror your image. But because I have no writing on it or anything, it doesn't matter. It's almost there. Should we do this first? Should we do this one first? Let's do the kitty cat first, since my little rain's right here. And you're going to center it on your towel. Let me get my tape. You don't need the heat tape, but I use it because, you know, my arm is messed up, so I might jerk the sheet or something. And we're going to get the heat to 375, and I can give y'all the temps for your arm. And we're going to press it for 30 seconds. It's almost there. I'm going to press it for 30 seconds. At 375. Ray, what you doing? I should make some mugs and stuff too while I got those. But it's really easy. You could customize any kind of gift. A shirt, towels, blanket, anything. And all you gotta have is a printer and this heat transfer paper. And an iron. Okay. It is a peel hot, so we're going to peel it. And it's really, really, really soft. Hold on, y'all. Isn't she pretty? Like I said, you could put it on the other side, or you could put names on it. Alright. All my cheat sheets here, because there's so many different ones. It's not right. Okay, you must peel it hot. If you peel it cold, it will rip up the paper. Okay. Let's go back in office. Okay, like I said, this is my first time pressing with a flour sack. Here's the gingerbread. And it feels just like the flour sack, which either you like that feel or you don't. I don't really care for it, I don't think. I love them on my shirts. Or if you have pillowcases, they work great on pillowcases. And here's the cat. So cute. And now you just put them in your kitchen or bathroom, and then you get to use them. Wait 24 hours to get them wet. But after that, you wash them and dry them and everything. And like I said, you could put someone's face on that, or you could put a family photo on that, or you could put them on pillowcases, pillow covers, t-shirts. That's what I do, t-shirts. Okay, y'all. I had this print on my computer, which I love, but to me it's too small. So what I did is I went on my computer and just flipped it sideways in the file. And when I did that, this is what I got. So I'm going to go print it on a shirt real quick. We're going to go ahead and press a t-shirt. For 30 seconds. I trimmed off the bottom piece of it, which I probably shouldn't have, because on the back there's a grid line, and because I ripped it off kind of crooked. Hopefully I got it on there straight. If not, it's going to be a work shirt. That's what I'm here for, to make mistakes for you. Okay, and you're supposed to take it off with one sweeping thing, and y'all know me, I can't do that. Okay, 30 seconds. And we're going to take it off. Come on, Carolsue, hold it up. Get this off. Hold on, I gotta get my tape off. Isn't it beautiful? So soft. And what I'll do is I'll put it back in there again. My heat tape. Hold on. See, my Teflon sheet's right here. You gotta have a Teflon sheet. I'll put it back in there for a few seconds. Kind of cures it. I'm just going to hold it down for a few seconds. It's 5. And after you press it the second time, it makes it really, really soft. Where before it's like, you can feel the texture. Now you can't feel it. Isn't that pretty? Well, if I would hold it straight. There y'all. Hold it straight where it won't look crooked. Let me turn this off. We sure don't want the stand on. Woo! I hope y'all liked it today. I gotta add this back into it. But love y'all, and thank y'all for checking out my channel. And I'll get back with you again next week. Bye. I'm having my surgery, y'all. December 30th. So keep me in your prayers, and see y'all again for Team Tuesday and Whatnot Wednesday, and my DIYs are on Saturdays. Thanks. Love you. Bye.